The health benefits of pears and apples. Hello, this is your Healthy Life channel. We always produce videos for your health management with information from Korean healthcare specialists and researchers in related fields. Is there anyone who hasn't subscribed yet? Please subscribe and like right now. And please share it with your loved ones so that everyone can live a healthy life. For reference, the average life expectancy of Koreans is currently 90 years for women and 86 years for men as of 2024, which is one of the longest average life expectancies in the world. It has increased by more than 5 years compared to 10 years ago, and the average life expectancy of Koreans is increasing every year. I hope you all always watch our Healthy Life channel and maintain a healthy life. Apples are deciduous trees belonging to the apple family, and they are warm in nature and sour and sweet in taste. The history of apples is quite old. They are also famous for being the forbidden fruit that Adam and Eve ate in the Garden of Eden, and there is also a story that Newton realized the law of universal gravitation after seeing a falling apple. In Greek legend, apples were said to be the fruit that gives eternal life and happiness. Let's learn about the efficacy of apples, a fruit that has been familiar to mankind for a long time. Apples were first introduced to Korea in 1884 through foreign missionaries. After that, in 1901, Byeong-su brought a large number of apple seedlings through American missionaries and started harvesting them by creating an orchard near Wonsan. Some people think that apples are acidic because they taste sour, but they are actually alkaline foods. When you peel or grind an apple, it quickly turns brown. This is because the polyphenol in the apple are oxidized by the oxidizing enzymes in the flesh and the oxygen in the air, causing them to become discolored. To prevent this discoloration, you can use a diluted solution of salt or ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Play button diarrhea treatment and prevention equals in Germany. Apples are used as a folk remedy to treat diarrhea. Apples are also used in natural treatments for diarrhea, acute indigestion, etc. Play button diabetes prevention equals apple juice is known to release insulin quickly, causing blood sugar levels to drop slowly. Recently, researchers from Cambridge University in the UK, Utrecht University in the Netherlands, and Oslo University in Norway analyzed the effects of fruit and vegetable consumption on diabetes in 22,000 adult men and women from 8 European countries. As a result, those who consumed a lot of fruits and vegetables, that is, those with high blood concentrations of vitamin C and carotenoids, had a 25 to 50% lower risk of diabetes than those who did not. The researchers recommended eating 2/3 of a medium-sized apple or 1/3 cup of fruit per day to prevent diabetes. Play button reduced cholesterol equals last year, a research team led by Athanasius Kouchos of the Department of Food and Nutrition at the University of Reading in the UK had adults with relatively high cholesterol levels eat 2 apples per day. As a result, they confirmed that total cholesterol levels and low-density lipoprotein cholesterol levels, which are harmful to the human body, decreased, and biomarker factors closely related to vascular health improved. Play button dementia prevention equals last August, researchers at Tufts University in the United States announced research result showing that apples and strawberries help prevent dementia. They say that eating them for a long time and in large quantities reduces the risk of dementia because they are rich in flavonoids, a natural chemical substance. When the cold wind starts to blow, there is a fruit that comes to mind. A pear that is as round as a full moon. A pear with a crunchy texture and sweet water content is considered a representative autumn seasonal fruit. A pear is a fruit belonging to the Prunella vulgaris family. It is an alkaline food with a sweet and refreshing taste. It contains carbohydrates, organic acids, enzymes, and minerals, which help supplement nutrition. The reason that a pear feels rough when you eat it is because it has stone cells. These stone cells are thick-walled cells made of lignin and penisan. Here are 4 representative effects of pears, which have been used as medicine since ancient times. Promotes digestion equals there are many enzymes in pears, which help digestion. When you mix pear and bulgogi or yakko, the meat becomes tender due to the enzyme action and digestion becomes bettered. Protection of the respiratory tract equals when your cough doesn't get better. Dig out the inside of the pear, put honey in it, cover it, boil it, and drink it little by little to see the effect. The luteolin component abundant in the pear is effective for anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic effects. It helps to remove phlegm and treat and prevent respiratory diseases. There is a folk remedy called ichong that has been passed down. It is said to be effective for coughs by grinding pear and radish in a 2-to-1 ratio, mixing it with rice syrup, and drinking the juice. Prevention of adult diseases equals the pectin component in the pear plays a role in healthily controlling blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It helps prevent vascular diseases, such as hypertension. A research team at the University of Wageningen in the Netherlands confirmed that pears reduce the risk of stroke by 52%. The phenol compounds in the pear prevent damage to blood vessels and improve blood flow, lowering the risk of stroke. Also, potassium contained in pears helps maintain blood vessel health. Fatigue recovery, hangover relief equals pear flesh contains about 6 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 g, which is effective in relieving fatigue. It also contains 85% of water and ascorbic acid, which breaks down alcohol, helping relieve hangovers. Researchers at the Mumbai Institute of Chemical Technology in India announced research results showing that juice made with pears, limes, and coconut water is effective in breaking down alcohol. Was today's content helpful? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and set notifications, and be sure to click all of them right now. I will come back next time with more useful content with useful information from Korean health management experts. Thank you for watching.